Welcome to the Prudent Pulse. We're covering the week of May 12th to the 16th. Now, with China-US trade thawing, we'll get data this week indicating how much tariffs impacted the economy last month. Now, first is April CPI inflation Tuesday. Now, after core inflation rose 0.1% in March, economists expect prices rose a much faster 0.3% in April. Now, if inflation is indeed accelerating, that could reduce hopes for a Fed cut. Now, staying on the topic of rates, short-term and long-term rates are diverging in an unusual steepening twist. Since December, 10-year yields have increased while 2-year yields have fallen. Now, the 10-year 2-year spread, which was flat 6 months ago, is now about 0.5% wide. Now, the elevated 10-year yield has kept mortgage rates higher, contributing to the slowest pace of existing home sales for any March since 2009, despite rising inventory and seller concessions. Now, then we get retail sales on Thursday. After rising a strong 0.5% in March, economists expect sales decelerated to 0.3% in April, which could signal consumer caution that would potentially point to a slowdown. Now, all of this could then tie into Fed Chair Powell's speech on Thursday, which may provide clues as to when the Fed could start cutting again. Currently, the market is pricing in about a 40% chance of a cut in July and an 80% chance of a cut in September. And that's this week's Prudent Pulse.